welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today I thought I would do a video that I don't know if I've ever done one of these actually. The Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is coming up tomorrow. And I don't know, there's some new things in the sale this year, so I just thought it would be fun to kind of go through and talk about some of the things. I'm not going to talk about every single product, but I'm going to talk about the things that are interesting to me. There are some, like I said, some first time products available, which is always exciting because there are a lot of repeats sometimes, and everything will be linked in the description box. If you're unfamiliar with the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, this is semi-annually. They do it twice a year, in the spring and in the fall. And the items are discounted 50%. There's 5 to 8 items per day, and those are the sale items for that day. They're only on sale for that day. The next day there are different sale items, etc., etc. There are online exclusives, there are app exclusives. I don't know if we have all of those yet. Sometimes those are what they call surprise steals, and the surprise steals, you know the brand, but you don't know exactly what the product is going to be. You do also get free shipping on any Beauty Steal purchase if you're a Diamond or Platinum member, so you don't have to worry about meeting a shipping threshold. And of course, anything that isn't online only will be available at your Ulta store. So let's just get into it. I need a table though, because I'm holding this with my hand, and I'm just too old for that. Like, I'm too old to be inconvenienced. I gotta get this table out. Hold on. The first thing, I actually already told my mom about this because I know she likes this mascara. The Tarte Man-Eater mascara is 50% off, which will make it $12.50. At this point in time, that's drugstore pricing, so that is a good price. This isn't my favorite Tarte mascara, but I do like it. I'm not gonna purchase this one, but I do think that it is a good mascara. I like a natural bristle brush, okay? And this has the short rubber brush. Peach and Lily Power Cocktail Lactic Acid Repair Serum. Sounds interesting. I have no business buying any skincare right now though, because I have a ton of skincare that I want to try to cycle through, and skincare takes a long time to work through. So unless I come across something that I know is my absolute favorite product and I want a backup of that product, I will not be buying any skincare, but it sounds interesting. Well, I won't be buying anything on the first day of, I shouldn't be buying anything at all because I'm still technically on a no-buy. REM Beauty Midnight Shadows Eyeshadow Palette. I'm I don't know. Part of me wants to try these just to try them because I like trying eyeshadow. And part of me hates the packaging of this so much that I can't even fathom wanting to own this. You know, I feel like I will be able to pass that, but those will be $12, which is about what they look like they should cost in the first place. I'm so sorry, that was mean. I've never tried the anything from Kinship actually, but I've seen a lot of people talking about it lately. The Bright Wave, just the brand in general, not this product, but the Bright Wave Vitamin C Eye Cream will be half off. March 14th, the Durablend setting powders will be half off, and I know people love those, so that might be a good time to grab one of those. The March 15th beauty steals is also a Flawless by Finishing Touch beauty fridge, and I don't need one of these because I don't love cold things anyway on my face. I know that I'm supposed to, but I just do not. But it looks so cute. It's also very small. It's only 11 inches tall and 7.5 inches wide. But if you want a little beauty fridge, as far as I know, they've never had a beauty fridge. Maybe they have. I don't know every deal they've ever had, but that's a good price. It will be $30. Also, the Lorac Pro eye palettes will be half off. I am tempted to get I don't need it because I need more eyeshadow like no one's business. I love the Lorac Pro Noir and Pro Fairy Tale palettes. I'm tempted by the Pro Soleil palette, and then they also have the, what other one is the Meraki, I think is what it says. It won't let me click on it, like my computer's freaking out. Those will be half off, so those palettes will be between $19.50 and $24.50. I cannot recommend the Lorac Pro eyeshadow palettes enough. The new formula, it's a dream. I love those palettes and they are beautiful. The Pro Noir palette is a cool toned lover's dream. And the Fairy Tale palette is just beautiful. There's a little pop of green in there, which is all I need to make me want an eyeshadow palette. Is just a little bit of green in there and I'm there. But I love those. So those are a recommendation from me. Okay, March 16th, we've got more skincare. The Too Faced Lip Injection, that does not interest me. A sculpting palette from Iconic London, does not interest me. About Face matte lip and matte lip pencils will be half off. I've never tried anything from About Face and I'm curious about them, but I also don't need any more lip products. But they would be $6 for the lip liner and $8 for the lip paint. So it's like a low risk, potential high reward situation. I'm gonna put that on my maybe list. On March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, there is a surprise steal, which will be Dermalogica. We don't know what product, but Dermalogica will be the surprise steal. The Clarins Double Serum. I feel like people really love this. I've never tried it. The Lancome La Vie Belle perfume, which smells delightful. I think that perfume is lovely. Will be half off. And then online only, we have Ofra highlighters, which it says are a first time steal, and that can't be. I feel like they're in here all the time. And also the liquid highlighter will be included. I don't love the Ofra highlighters, I'm gonna be honest. So that is a pass for me. March 18th, the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer will be $15. That is the half off price. And I'm curious to try this. I don't need a new concealer because I don't wear a lot of concealer. I just do not like the feel of it. And I really like the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer that I've been using. But I also kind of want to try this one, you know? So this is a maybe. Okay, March 19th, Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation, which it says is a first time steal. I also swear I've seen that in here. I don't wear foundation. ABH Brow Wiz, Kiehl's, but yeah, none of those. Select IT brushes for Ulta are 50% off. I really like the IT brushes for Ulta. I think they're really nice quality. And it says those are first time steal as well. March 20th, select Smashbox primers will be half off. I did not realize Smashbox primers were so expensive at this point. The half off price will be $21 to $30. What Smashbox primer is $60? I could look it up, but I'm not gonna. Kopari Beauty, the Sun Shield SPF 50. That looks really pretty. I don't need it, but that looks really pretty. Nude Sticks Daily Mineral Veil. I didn't even know that was a product. This Kopari product looks so pretty. I just want to set this on my desk and have people admire it. It looks pretty. When I was looking at this the other day, there were more exciting things. So I don't know if I was just in a more excitable shopping mood or if I'm just too hungry to care about makeup right now. Okay, March 21st, the Urban Decay Shadow Sticks. I think these look really pretty, but I never use shadow sticks. Oh, the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush. I love these blushes, so I will potentially look at buying one of these. These will be, I think, $13. I love these blushes. I will put one of those on my list. I'm not sure which color yet. Do I need one? No. March 22nd, the Jaclyn Cosmetics Sun Bathe Pressed Bronzers will be half off. I have one of these and I think it's really nice, but I don't need another color. Select products from Black-owned brands. It looks like Juvia's Place. What's another one? Oma Beauty and Beauty Stat Cosmetics. So quite a few products from Juvia's Place, and then one Icon Matte Lipstick from Oma Beauty, and the Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream from Beauty Stat. I don't think I will be needing any of those. Okay, if you love the Lancome Renergy Eye Day, Night, and Triple Serum, those will all be half off. Those are very expensive products. The Maylis, is that how you say that? Cosmetics B Flat Belly Firming Cream will be half off. And then 50% off Lime Crime Matte Velveteen Lipsticks. And these are actually very comfortable. I don't wear a lot of liquid lipsticks anymore, but I do think that this is a really comfortable liquid lipstick formula that dries down. March 24th, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara will be $14. March 25th, the Buxom Surprise Steal. Typically, they always put the lip polishes in here for, I think, like $10 or $11, or whatever the half off price would be. I think they've gone up in price at this point, but it doesn't say that it's the Buxom, so I don't know. I would be surprised if it's not, but at this point we all know that those are in this sale pretty much every time, so maybe it will be a new product. Because I don't know why they would say it's a surprise if it's the same product we've had over and over. I love the lip polishes. If those are in there, I definitely recommend you get one. If it's the Wanderlust blushes, I definitely recommend you get one because I love those blushes too. And I don't know what else it would be. Maybe a mascara? I have no idea. It doesn't tell me. March 26th, Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plumping Gloss. That is an online only offer. I might buy one of those. I really love the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lips. I think they're a very easy, comfortable product to wear. And I know I said last year I was going to do a lip plumping video. And I think all the products are still in that drawer and I just haven't gotten around to it. Maybe 2023 will be the year. Regardless, it's a good steal. And then another online only is the Persona Super Blushes. I love the Persona Super Blushes. They will be $11. I have all 4 colors. I wish they had more colors, darker colors. I love these blushes. Highly recommend those. March 28th, Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil, which is a first time steal, which is again crazy to me because that product has been around and been so beloved for so long. How has it never been in this sale? I don't know. I personally hate the smell of almond, so I do not want that, but if you like it, there you go. Okay, March 30th, Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. I have this and I need to use it again. This is really nice. I just take a flat buffing brush and like buff it into my hairline and on my ears and stuff so it doesn't look splotchy there. But I think it really does give your face, why am I not using that all winter? It gives your face like a nice warmth and it makes you feel like you've seen the sun. That's very nice. March 31st, online only, there's select aerial brush sets that are half off from Morphe. And well, I don't need more brush sets. Getting a full brush set for $49 instead of $98 would be nice. And those look so pretty. They look like they have wood handles. I'm sure they don't, but they look really pretty. April 1st, we have a Giorgio Armani Beauty Surprise Steal. Don't know what it is. The Lancome Lashy Doll Lash Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. I won't buy this. Honestly, I kind of want to buy it. I love this mascara. It's not cruelty-free, I know, but it is a nice mascara. And it lasted a long time. That was really nice. Are you guys excited about anything? There are a lot of first-time steals on here, which I think is always nice. I think that this sale has been a little bit stagnant for a little bit. It's always nice to get your favorites, but you don't want it to be the same products every single year. So I think that there's a good mix of like old favorites and new products. I will have some of my favorite things linked. They obviously won't be able to like purchase them at the sale until the day they go live, but I'll try to make note of the dates and like put the date in there. And I would love to know if you guys are purchasing anything from the sale. Let me know. So I wish they did a nail polish version, like a nail version of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.